The Three Fish Studios. Learn printmaking from the artists themselves at this tiny studio in San Francisco's Outer Sunset neighborhood. Husband and wife duo Eric Rewitzer and Annie Galvin will walk you through the process of relief printmaking. Over the course of 2 evenings, spread out 1 week apart, you'll learn to transfer an image onto a block of linoleum, carve it out, apply ink and put it under one of their Conrad printing machines. You'll leave with 10 8x10 prints, which make great gifts or the start to your own gallery wall. The class fee is $150, but includes all the materials. Case for making. From neon watercolors to paper marbling to video art, Case for Making thrives at creating workshops that pique the interest of the most creative people you know. Each workshop at this other Outer Sunset gem, just a few blocks from Ocean Beach, led by an artist in that particular field, and supplies are always included in the class fee. Woodcut maps. In just 2 hours, you'll make a beautiful inlay wood map to hang on your own walls or give as a gift at this Mission Neighborhood workshop. Just pick your favorite corner of the earth and use their online mapping tool to specify. They'll then pre-cut all the wood for you, so all you have to do is put the pieces of the puzzle together. Our tip? Play with the map tool before you book the class to make sure your design ideas will gel with their capabilities.